Good day everyone, and today we'll be showing our miniature, which is a electrical switch, in which we will be emphasizing the piston heads. So what is our miniature about? Our miniature is all about electrical switch, wherein we will be explaining the parts of the electrical switch and its functions. We'll be also highlighting the concept behind the switch, how it should act in a circuit, especially we'll be leading the switch towards how it will start our mini engine, as you can see. So how did we do it? So we made our miniature with the use of recyclable materials such as cardboards and also some sticks. And also we recycle some of the switch in which there are parts that are not used already, and in which these materials are most one of the contributors of pollution in our streets. Aside from this, we also incorporate the use of electrical motor that we extract, as you can see, from our old toys.
So, how does it work? An electrical pigtail in a power window switch connect the switch to a vehicle wiring harness enabling control of the window motor. Next is the brass electrical switch. Provides a durable and conductive material for reliable connections and efficient current flow in electrical circuits. Bronze contact. Material in a switch ensures durability, corrosion resistance, and reliable electrical conductivity for consistent performance. And the lastly is an actuator. In a switch converts electrical signals into mechanical motion to enable or disable the switch operation.
So why is it relevant for the field of mechanical engineering? This is important towards the field of ME, such that it will prove bigger scope and knowledge when it comes to understanding the components of the switch. Another factor would be the clearly defined in which the switch plays an important role towards the demand and expectation society has to offer. So this is our miniature, and we hope you like it. Thank you.